Okay guys, as I promised, we're here at Hilton Head Health to get the famous recipe by Karla Williams here. I got hooked on this recipe here because it is so delicious, and Karla tells me it's easier than I thought. So she's gonna share it with all of us. Thanks, Karla.
Of course, let's jump in. Okay, so we have some garbanzo beans here. You can just purchase canned garbanzo beans. And,
in the can?
And just give them a rinse. Once you rinse them, it will reduce the sodium by 50%.
Oh, rinse them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we need to get rid of sodium. I learned that here also from Bob. He does all the lectures.
So pop that in. And then hummus is really fun because you can alter the flavor tremendously. Whatever you want to make it, you can make it. So today we're doing basil, but you can do roasted red pepper or a roasted garlic would be really fun too.
Ooh, I like garlic.
Yeah.
I love basil. I always keep a basil plant on my windowsill, guys. I think you know that. I've told you a million times. If you go to my YouTube channel, you've seen it. If you go to my blog, you've seen it. And Karla, I think you're keeping a secret from us. I know you like to share because you have them at the Fit Bites every day. That's the thing they have here. After meals, if you get hungry or you miss breakfast, because some of us sleep in, she has a peanut butter hummus, and it's like dessert. And the only thing in it is, what do you have in that, Karla?
It is powdered peanut butter, which is a PB2. It's super yummy, and we still put garbanzo beans, peanut butter, a little honey, and vanilla extract. Do you like garlic? Pop some garlic in.
I love it like a maniac. Okay, so what's that?
Tahini paste. So this is just sesame seeds. So how peanut butter is to peanuts, tahini is to sesame seeds.
So you're telling me all these times I've been having tahini on my falafel sandwiches, it's just sesame seeds ground up? And can you make that in the bullet, or
you can just purchase it?
Just make it. Okay, just buy it online.
Yeah,
also.
let somebody else do it.
Thrivemarket.com. So tahini, lemon, basil, chickpeas.
And garlic. Yes,
garlic,
ma'am.
of course. Bunch of cloves, as much as you want. Good for your health, good for immunity.
A lot of good little spicy
Digestion.
zing. Yeah.
And the basil, I see you're loading it in there.
I loaded it.
Basil plant.
Because it's a leafy green. Sometimes we forget that herbs are leafy greens.
Yep.
The more the merrier. Here we go again.
Antioxidant.
Give it a blend.
Fiber.
It gets really pretty and green. All right, I'll use my spatula and just push the sides down, make sure it gets incorporated.
And you can do this in the bullet too, you're saying, right?
Absolutely.
Anything I can do in my bullet, because it's right there on the counter and it's easy, I'm happy to do. And I learned from Bob here also that the blue zone countries where people live the longest, they primarily eat beans and nuts. And you know, the girls are always laughing at me when I'm gassy, but I'll be around to tell a story. I'll be tooting.
Doesn't that look awesome? Yum, yum, yum.
It's when you mix all those other pastries and chocolate and dairy. Oh,
Oh my.
scary.
All right, there is our hummus.
Gorgeous. I'm glad you're doing this one and not peanut butter, because I get the peanut butter every day.
Yeah, I wanted you to try something
You're on the
different.
And what do we call this down here? It's not the down low down here. We're on the coast.
Low
It's the
country.
East Coast. Low country. Okay. 'Cause
Down
we're
low.
Down low in the down country. And do you say y'all down here? Not really.
If you're originally from here, you would say y'all.
Y'all down country.
Yeah.
I hear that.
I don't think people say down country.
I notice everyone here is very polite, even keeled.
Right, like bless your heart.
And bless your heart. Like very, mind your own. They all mind their business. It's so relaxed. And I want a healthy dose of this.
Nice
so let
and
me
thick.
get in there. Yeah, these are totally flexible. Cucumbers you got.
Awesome.
And there you go, folks. The beautiful presentation of Karla Williams' beautiful basil hummus.